Hi boss, what do you want me to do today? I didn't put that hole in the middle. I decided to get rid of that and make it into a solid block, and a solid block on the little cog will fit this. It's all ready to go. We send it over to Mama Bear, which is over here. I've saved it to file. I've done it. I spliced it. There it is. And then it should start moving any minute now. I start off really slow. Well, there you go, folks. That's what it was all about. Fits absolutely perfect. It's about 7.5, I think, something like that. Or 7 inches wide. 7 inches by 10 mil. I've done them 10 mil thick, but I didn't do holes in the middle because I don't know what size hole I want in the middle. But I'm going to check it now for roundness. So what I'm making is another one of these filament pullers. I've never liked these cogs, never ever. Plus I've got a new motor. Got a new motor. It all works, but I'm just not happy with it. So we'll make another one. I'm just going to make these apexes. I'm not going to print them. I'm going to actually make them a lot quicker, a lot faster.